In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Captcha error on your Steam. Now, this is a bug and error that happens for many people, apparently, and there are some few ways that you can fix it that I've seen work for many people. Now, the first one, this one worked for me, is simply uninstall your Steam. You can do that from going into here, search for apps, in apps and features, gonna find Steam once it loads. Should be down here somewhere. Steam right here. Click on it and uninstall. Now then go to the Steam web and reinstall it. Now another thing that works for some people is instead of using the Steam application down here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your browser and access the Steam from your browser. Now before doing that, it's important you clear your browser data. So go to this chrome://settings/clear browser data. Remember to select all time, assign all of these, clear data. Just keep in mind this might delete your saved passwords, so be careful when you do this. The last one, and I've seen this work for some people, is instead of going Steam on your computer, you're gonna take your phone and install the Steam app. From in there, you're gonna try and do the Captcha. Now, all of these three methods should hopefully work for you. And if it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.